Audio Jungle.
Volvo is the most recent car company to begin assembling its vehicles in the U.S. The Swedish automaker rolled its first sedan out of a new factory in Ridgeville, South Carolina, roughly 30 miles northwest of Charleston. The 2.3 million square foot facility, Volvo's first car assembly plant in North America, will eventually turn out 150,000 vehicles per year. Volvo Cars, the premium car maker, today revealed the new S60 luxury sedan at the company's first American manufacturing plant outside Charleston, South Carolina. The combined car launch and factory opening reinforce Volvo Cars' commitment to the U.S., an important market for the company and its new sedan. The new S60 is the first Volvo car made in the United States. The new S60 is one of the most exciting Volvo cars we've ever made, said Håkan Samuelsson, president and chief executive of Volvo Cars. It is a true driver's car that gives us a strong position in the US and China sedan markets, creating more growth opportunities for Volvo Cars. The new S60 is the first Volvo car to be sold without a diesel engine, signaling the company's industry-leading commitment to electrification and a long-term future beyond the traditional combustion engine. The award-winning turbocharged and supercharged TA twin-engine plug-in hybrid will be available in the new S60, delivering 313 horsepower with a rear electric motor adding 87 horsepower for a combined power output of 400 horsepower. The T5 FWD and T6 AWD will also be available. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.